much. I really do love you.
Dike, I do not want troubles. I don't want. Everyone in this village knows that my sister likes you a lot. She likes you. I don't want any trouble, please.
And everyone in this village also knows you I love. Yes, it's you I want to spend the rest of my life with. I want to marry you.
Dike, it is not possible.
It's possible.
Don't say it. It's not possible. It won't work. Not at all.
My heart beats for you. Yes, I love you so much. I will always do.
Dike, you don't get it. You don't.
Lekwanu Olanma, Olawa mama, Omalichanwa, Chukwu Chinyere n'isi. She's on her own, she doesn't look for troubles. Olanma, she's doing her destiny. Lekwanu Olanma, Olawa mama, Omalichanwa, Chukwu Chinyere n'isi. She's on her own, she doesn't look for troubles. Olanma, she's doing her destiny. Hey. See Princess Olanma, the fearless girl. Opuro ya kebe.
That is why it's good to make merry. Eh?
No.
What is
no.
it?
That is enough. Obinze, you have had enough.
Get out. Get out. And who are you to tell your king when it's enough or not? Don't take my softness for lenience. Have you forgotten I'm your king? Have you forgotten I'm the incoming king?
I know, but I need to take you home because you are drunk.
It is you who is drunk. Because I can never be drunk. Let me tell you, when I become the king of this kingdom, I shall have all the good palm wine tappers from all the communities to tap the best of their fresh wine. Every morning they will assemble it in the palace and we will be making merry. In fact, I will change the name of this kingdom to Fresh Palm Wine Merriment Center.
Yes, that is when you become the king. You can do anything you want, but right now, your countenance is nowhere match the status of the prince. Please, let me take you home.
You want to take Obinze home? Like I do not know the way to my house. Is that what you're saying? I do not know the road to the kingdom. Once royalty is royalty forever. I don't want to go home. I want to drink and make merry. Uko, who is there? Tell whoever that is there, they should bring me fresh palm wine. Izu, the fact that you're my friend does not give you the leverage to tell me when to drink or when to stop. Tell them to get me fresh palm wine as it pleases the king. Listen, you need to be making merriment. Drink, make merry, because life is too short. Do you understand? I, Prince Obinze, I will be enjoying myself. Here they go. That's what I'm saying.
My friend, stop! My friend, stop! Take it back. I said, take it back.
Dear G.
Why would I take it? I'm here for business. Please ask me to get him palm wine, so don't spoil my business.
Very stubborn. I will manhandle you now. Take it back. I said, take it back.
No. Please demand for palm wine. Fresh palm wine for that matter.
That's enough. since you want us to go, can I at least have a bowl of it?
Okay. Just one.
You want us to go?
Let me take you home, please.
You can go. Reserve me some fresh palm wine for another day.
I should take it back.
Merriment doesn't finish.
Are you dead? Take it back! Then call it.
Uko!
My prince.
Uko!
My prince.
He said I am drunk. Now watch me. Do I look drunk? Uko, do I look drunk?
My prince!
Ihoma, why did you poison my food?
Speak! Have you suddenly gone dumb?
Oh, you don't want to talk. Is that?
Answer
all
the
right?
question now. Why did you poison his food?
Guards,
Your Highness.
seize her and lock her up in the palace prison. Okay?
Yes, Your Highness.
Torture her until she's ready to talk. She must talk. Take her away.
Yes, Your Highness.
Take her away from here.
Asimu!
Torture her away.
Move!
Why would somebody want to poison my food? Why? Eh? Why will someone want to kill me? Olanma!
Igwe, I know you are angry. What the maid tried to do is despicable. But we need to tread with caution. We need to ask some questions.
How do you mean?
Igwe, how did Olanma get to know that your food was poisoned? Because from what I know, she was out there for hunting, so how did she come about the information?
How she got information does not matter. From the maid's reaction, it was obvious that she poisoned my food. The question should be, why did she poison my food? To what end?
Igwe, you are the king of this kingdom. You are respected and adored by all. But a target to most evil-minded people. Igwe, I think she's not on this alone. Someone must have masterminded it.
That's true. When I'm done with her, she will not only confess, but she will mention who the accomplices are.
And Olanma, isn't her action suspicious?
Enough! She saved my life.
Yes, she saved your life. And she saw someone poison your food mysteriously right from the forest. Haba, Igwe.
I said, enough. The maid shall reveal everything. Everything.
And what do you think you're doing?
Princess!
What isn't yours? Is it?
No. It's not mine.
Hand it over. Where's my arrow?
I don't miss this one, no. Hi. So I merely go and car. This big bush meat, yo.
You just disappeared. Where did you go?
I went to get the grass cutter I left in the bush.
You cut this?
Yes, mother.
This is beautiful. Your father, the king, will be happy with you.
Right.
You have to go and give it to the maiden. Let them prepare a sumptuous pepper soup for your father and us as well.
I'll do just that, mother.
Please, after that, I would like to have a word with you.
Okay, mother.
See Princess Olanma, the fearless girl. Oporoya Kebulimilina Balamba. She never gives up on her decisions. The more they try to hurt her, the more she's waxing stronger. Obusinike dinawaja yakojibu abo. Lepanu Olanma, Olawa mama.
Mother, what's wrong?
Akudo. Yes, mother.
Where is your brother?
He should probably be with his friend, drinking as usual.
I swear by the gods, I will kill him with my bare hands.
Mother.
So, with all that is happening in the palace, he's nowhere to be found. Ha!
Mother, calm down. He's obviously not the target. Just calm down.
He should be in the palace. He should be here. He must not be the target before you be in the palace. Not out there in the village gallivanting like a slave. Like a song without a destination.
Oh.
Obinze. He's drinking. Ola, my daughter.
Mother.
There is something I would like to find out from you.
Go ahead, mother.
How did you know the food was poisoned?
I saw it.
You saw it? But the maid said you were in the forest hunting. So how did you manage to see it from the forest?
Mother, I cannot explain it myself. It was like a vision. I went down the bush to hunt. And it appeared to me. It was like staring into a mirror. Honestly, mother, this is not the first time. I see things.
I have always known you're a special child. Just that I didn't know how special. I'm proud to be your mother.
So you believe me?
Of course I do.
You don't think I'm losing my mind?
Losing your mind? You just saved your father's life today. How can it be losing your mind? It is only the gods that can do that. And I want you to keep it with everything in you.
Other people will talk. They will ask questions.
Ola, my daughter, let them talk. Yes, they can talk. Though something bothers me.
What is it, mother?
It's about this your passion for hunting. Mostly for a princess that has dozens of servants at your feet.
Mother, is not just a passion. It is who I am.
My daughter, it will scare eligible suitors away from you.
Any man that gets intimidated by my passion for hunting is not worthy to become my husband. Mother, if that will be all, can I go now? I really need to rest.
It's okay, my daughter. You can go and rest. But please, do give a thought
to what I've just said.
Thank you.
Who is there? Somebody should get me food. Ujuako!
Mother.
Obinze,
Yes, mother.
where are you coming from?
Mother, have I suddenly turned to a child that you will be asking a man where he's coming from? Crown prince of this kingdom, in that case.
Obinze, did I hear you call yourself a man? No. When they ask the men of this community to come out, Obinze, you come out. Obinze, when you are busy walking around this village like a child with no destination, and you want to be regarded as a man, no. Never! If you are a man, act like one. Act it!
Mother, I am very, very hungry. I am not cut out for this argument. I'm very hungry. Please, ask them to tell Ujuako to get me my favorite. I told her before I left. Please, I'm hungry.
Oh yes! Food, food, food! That is all what you know how to do. To eat! Obinze, are you aware that someone tried to murder your father in the palace? Yes!
What? How? Who? Show me the person! I will have the person's head chopped off within 1 second! Uko! Mother! Who is the person?
How will you know? No, tell me how we are going to know when you are hardly around. When you don't sit at home. You are the next to the throne. And honestly, we can't have an irresponsible person like you. Yes, you cannot be because you are irresponsible.
First and foremost, mother, you need to take back that word irresponsible. My name is Obinze, the heir apparent to Umagu Kingdom. A lion cannot bear a goat. My father is a lion, and so I am one as such. That's a discussion for another day. Mother, tell me, did you see someone try to take the life of my father, the king?
A maiden poisoned your father's sword. And guess what? Guess who came to his rescue? The daughter of that useless woman. That illegitimate wife. That woman that snatched your father from me. And the so-called prince was nowhere to be found at such critical time.
Uko! Uko!
My prince.
I want all the maidens in this kingdom summoned. I want all of them assembled. I want to find out who made attempt on my father's life. I am going to chop off her head by myself, mother. That I promise you. That I promise you. No betrayal will be tolerated in Umagu Kingdom. I want to know who is the person. Come with me. Come with me. That's not going to happen.
Your heart is full of evil.
You better do. I can never level in vain. Obinze, you need to change. I can never level in vain. Obinze, you need to change. What a son.
Why are you so mean? Why are you so...
Yesterday, an attempt was made on my life.
What?
One of the maids poisoned my food. And I know she's not a maid alone. She must be acting on someone's instruction.
Where is she now?
She's locked up in the palace prison. I wanted to invite you for a meeting yesterday, but knowing that all of you will be in your various farms working, so I decided to call the meeting for today. Now, I want her to confess in your presence.
Yes. Yes.
Let her tell us why she wants to kill me and who her accomplices are.
Yes. I want to know. Yes.
Ikenga!
Yes, Your Highness.
Yes. Go and fetch her.
Yes, Your Highness. Hey! Hello!
Abomination.
That's what I see.
In this palace.
In this palace.
Why will a maid want to kill me?
Obi. Udoka.
Eh? Your Highness. Your Highness. Something terrible has happened.
Speak.
Your Highness, the maid is dead.
What?
Yes, Your Highness.
Iche Doka. Iche Obi.
Igwe.
Please confirm. Go after him. What?
Who would have done this?
Imagine. The maid dead?
She must have taken her own life.
This does not look she took her own life. Someone did this. Look at her neck. Look at her neck. He appears strangled. Someone must have done this to cover the evidence. Can't you see?
I see it.
Let's go, let's go. Go.
Can I go and fetch my water in peace? You're blocking my way.
We are not blind.
Please, let me go.
To where?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Ah! Ah! Leave me alone! Ah! Let me go! Please let me go! Let me go! Please let me go! Let me go, please! Please let me go! Ah! Let me go, please! Please let me go!
Princess!
You should be ashamed of your stupid self. Preying on innocent girls.
Get
lost!
We are very sorry, Princess.
My princess.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, my princess. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
It's fine. Okay. Is everything all right?
Sit down.
Finkili,
Your Highness.
what do you know about the maid's death?
Your Highness. Why would you ask me such a question?
Answer the question, woman.
By the gods, I know nothing about it.
Then what were you doing at the cage last night?
Last night?
Yes. What were you doing there? Because I saw you. I saw you by the cage last night.
Oh, that. I went to speak to the girl.
About what?
Ihuama, just talk to me. I know that what you didn't do it on your own accord. That someone sent you to kill the king. I want you to tell me who sent you to kill the king. Who is the person?
By tomorrow, the king will order for your head.
I will be dead anyway.
I can help you if you tell me who sent you to kill the king. Speak out. Please.
The instruction was clear. Don't get caught. That would have been my salvation. But I was caught. My fate is already sealed. Please, my queen, you just have to go. There's nothing you can do right now.
May the gods bear me witness that I tried to help you. It was obvious she was working for someone. So I wanted to find out who the person is. But she was too scared to speak out.
What an irony. An oak cried in the night and a child died in the morning.
Funny? Was I the only one that saw her last night? Maybe you two know something. So why don't you talk? Speak out!
Watch your tongue! Don't dare me!
You think I do not know what we are trying to do? Is that what you think?
Enough, enough.
No, allow her. Allow her run her mouth. Go on.
I said enough.
It's obviously having.
Come on, shut up. Now, two of you, go back to your chambers.
Princess, don't release the arrow. It's me, DK.
DK, why did you sneak up on me like that? Do you want to die?
No, Princess. I'm sorry I got you scared.
You did not scare me.
Come on. I know you were scared.
No, you did not scare me, DK.
Princess, come on. Even the bravest warriors, sometimes they get scared.
Not me.
Princess, come on. Don't walk away from me.
Do you know you can get those hands cut off for laying it on a princess?
Not when the princess got her eyes on me.
You flatter yourself, DK. And you mistake me for my sister.
You started. I told you, I don't love your sister. It's you I want. Yes, I know even the maidens in this kingdom, they all want me because I'm the bravest warrior, the strongest in this clan and this environment.
Again, DK, you flatter yourself.
Princess.
Nekwanu Olanma, Olawa mama, Omalichanwa, Chukwu Chinyere n'isi. She's on her own, she doesn't look for troubles. Olanma, she's doing her destiny. Nekwanu Olanma, Olawa mama, Omalichanwa, Chukwu Chinyere n'isi. She's on her own. She doesn't look for trouble.
Greetings, my princess.
Nkem, how are you?
You know my name?
Of course.
I am fine. Please, I brought this for you.
For me?
Yes, my princess. This is just to say thank you for saving me the other day.
Nkem, you didn't have to.
I am just a poor orphan who is used to people looking the other way. Others molest me. You didn't have to save me, but you did. It means a lot to me.
Come on, Nkem. I couldn't have looked the other way while those men molest and humiliate you. In fact, they will pay for their crimes, and I will make sure of that. So that next time they will not prey on other girls. My father is preoccupied for now, but when everything is calm, I will bring the case up before him.
Your heart is as beautiful as your face. Please, accept this little gift from me.
It's okay. Stand.
I would have carried this to the palace for you, but I'm just a commoner.
And who said that my friend cannot accompany me to the palace?
Your friend?
Mm-hmm. My friend. Don't you want to be a friend to the princess?
There is nothing more I wish for.
Let's go.
Come on, my princess. Thank you.
Mother.
Greetings, mother.
Olanma, my daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Greetings, my queen. Royal Queen of Omago Kingdom. The beautiful mother of Princess Olanma. May you live long, my queen.
Greetings, my beautiful daughter. Olanma.
Mother.
Who is she?
Her name is Nkem. She's my friend.
Oh, you're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you.
All right, mother.
Take her to your chamber.
See you. The palace is very beautiful.
Thank you.
These
oranges is very nice.
Oh, thank you, my princess.
What is the commoner doing in this palace?
Greetings, my princess.
This commoner is a human being and a bona fide citizen of this clan.
You desecrate the sanctity of this palace. Have you no respect for royalty?
As I was saying, Ken, that we are women does not mean we should always be vulnerable. I am not saying it's wrong to be vulnerable, but we should also stand up for ourselves. Do you understand?
My princess, I think I should start going.
You just came, Kim.
I know.
But no but. You can finish your plan.
Who are you and what are you doing here?
Greetings, my queen.
Keep your useless greetings to yourself. Answer me!
Her name is Nkem. She is my friend and I brought her here.
I see. Young lady, if you know what is good for you, disappear from this place and I don't want to see you anywhere around this palace again. Nonsense!
What's the meaning of that?
Will you just shut up? If you don't have respect for your father, at least respect the seat on which he sits on. Let this nonsense don't repeat itself again.
Thank you, mother.
Oh, see, I told you that I am very strong and I can do it. How did you enjoy that?
Say the truth.
Look at what you're saying.
It's now that I've just started. I'm just started.
You know what? This night I'm going to cook your special dish.
Yes, very good one. Yes. When I finish eating, I'll be able to... I'll jump on and chop. Are you not my wife? What did I pay? What did I pay money on your head for? Eh? Is it not good?
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, great wrestler of our time.
To what do I owe this visit?
I brought you food.
Thank you, but you shouldn't have bothered.
Any other man would not go unpunished for this arrogance. But for you, I'll let it slide.
There's no dignity throwing yourself to a man who has no interest in you.
I'm a princess. I shall have whatever and whoever I want.
Princess, you're wasting your time.
We shall see to that. Enjoy your food.
My king, something awful happened in this palace. An attempt was made on your life, and a maid was mysteriously murdered. Are we going to sit? Pretend as if nothing happened?
Well, silence does not mean indecision.
Then you have to act fast. Yes, for all we know, the enemy is within the walls of this palace. You need to act fast. Yes, before they will take another step.
So, what do you suggest?
My king, summon the seer. Yes, the seer.
The seer? Okay, I heard you. Let's see how it will go. Okay?
Lekwanụ Olanma, Olawa mama, Omalicha nwa, Chukwu tụnyelugo n'isi. She's on her own.
My princess. What a pleasant surprise. I know I'm not worthy to have you sit in my hut, but please do me the honor. Please. That's okay. How are you?
I'm fine, my princess. Please, would you like some water?
No, it's fine. I'm okay.
Okay, get up.
I brought you some gift.
For me?
For you.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay. Get up. It's okay. Why are you crying?
No one has ever shown me such kindness before. And coming from the princess, royalty has entered my heart. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's fine. Listen, we are friends now. And friends should be nice to each other.
Thank you so much, my princess. Thank you so
Get up.
Thank you.
Get up.
Thank you.
I have to be on my way now.
Okay, let me quickly drop this inside so I can see you up, please.
No, don't worry. I can find my way.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my princess. Thank you.
It's fine. Get up. Please.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll be on my way now.
Okay, my princess.
Take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
She has spiritual eyes, Olanma, Umachifulu Nanya, because I with you. Fearless princess, very courageous. Olanma, hey, Olanma, Hakabawani, Olanma, Oneja, Utumana, Olanma, 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 Olanma.
Royalty has entered my home. Royalty has entered my home.
Olanma, 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 Olanma.
Princess.
Okay, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome, my princess. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Olanma, I love you so much. I really do love you.
Dike, I do not want troubles. I don't want. Everyone in this village knows that my sister likes you a lot. She likes you. I don't want any trouble, please.
And everyone in this village also knows you I love. Yes, it's you I want to spend the rest of my life with. I want to marry you.
Dike, it is not possible.
It's possible.
Don't say it. It's not possible. It won't work. Not at all.
My heart beats for you. Yes, I love you so much. I will always do.
Dike, you don't get it. You don't.
I do.
Dike, don't stop me.
Please now. I love you. Just know that. I will not give up. I want you to know that. I love you so much. I love you.
She never gives up on her decisions. The more they try to hurt her, the more she's waxing stronger. Obusinike dinawaja yakoji buawo. Lepanu Olanma, Olawa mama, Omalechanwa, Chukutu yelugo nisi. She's on her own. She doesn't look for trouble.
You go boom. Omalicham, what is it? Why are you so worried?
Mother! Is it not that girl that calls herself my sister?
Olanma.
Yes.
What has she done?
She's determined on taking what's mine.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
Mother,
You know how I feel about DK.
Yes, the wrestler.
Yes, mother.
I'm already looking forward to your wedding.
Mother, that might not be the case. As Olanma is bent on taking him from me. I just saw them together.
Olanma, like mother, like daughter. Always taking what does not belong to them. Ada,
Mother.
relax. Calm down. DK is yours.
Mother, DK is mine.
Yes.
Mine and mine alone. No.
Yes.
I can't share him, not with Olanma.
At all. DK is yours. Eh?
Can you
Leave
imagine?
the rest to me.
Mother, do something.
Don't you trust your mother again?
I trust
Don't
you.
trust your mother again. I
Do
will
something, no.
I will deal with this issue. You know? Come and sit down. It shouldn't stress you. No, dear honey.
Stressing me. He doesn't want all these things.
Don't worry. DK is yours.
Thank
Relax. Don't you know your mother again?
I trust you.
Olanma. Olanma. I cannot Otonya.
Toyo Foma.
Olanma. I cannot Otonya. Olanma. I cannot Otonya. Don't worry. When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
Okay, it's mine. Of course.
Olanma, she's doing her destiny.
Greetings, my prince.
Young man, how are you?
I'm fine, my prince. My prince.
It seems you had a good catch today.
Yes, my prince. All thanks to the ghost.
Fortunately, I've been craving for fish pepper soup.
Yeah.
I was telling you, Izu.
You said it.
While we were coming, that I've been craving for fish pepper soup.
Right.
You see, the gods are really wise.
Yeah.
Hand the fish over to my guard.
My prince. You say?
Are you suddenly deaf? I said, hand the fish over to my guard.
But my prince, my fish is not for sale. It's not for sale.
Izu,
My prince.
tell this commoner that my name is Obinze,
He knows.
the crown prince of this kingdom. Have you ever heard that the crown prince of this kingdom buys anything that he wants?
Never.
The royal family owns this kingdom, including you. If I want your goat, I will take it.
Ozubo.
If I want your fish, I take them.
Ozubo.
I'm the crown prince of this kingdom. Anything I want, I get it. Now for the last time, hand the fish over to my guard.
But my prince, if I hand the fish over to your guard, what will my family eat this night?
Are you questioning the authority? Are you? Give the fish to my guard.
But no but. The prince commands. Hand over the fish to the guard. With all due respect, my prince, I cannot. No. Oh.
Oko, when people disobeys the authority of this kingdom, what do we do then?
My prince, let me just show you.
Teach him. That's it. That's it. He's on the floor. He's on the floor.
My prince.
He's on the floor.
Hey!
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
My fish! My fish! My fish!
She's on her own. She doesn't look for troubles. Olanma, she's doing her destiny.
My daughter, I've not thanked you properly for what you did for me. Huh? I owe you my life.
Father, you don't have to thank me for anything. Thank the gods that chose to save your life. We have to be vigilant. For I see a cloud of evil hovering around this palace.
What is this evil you speak of?
Those that want you dead shall strike again. And if we are not able to fish them out before they strike, they might succeed.
I'm proud of you. Right from when you were a child, you've always made me proud. Sometimes I wish you were born a man, but I can't question the gods.
The gods are wise, Father. Besides, you have a maid child that will sit on your throne at the end of your reign.
Obinze. That one brings me nothing but headache, pains, heartache. In fact,
Father, he is still your son. And he is the heir apparent to this throne.
you're right.
That is most of the reason why when they see me, they tremble. I will not rule this kingdom like my father. I am Obinze. My father is weak. That's why they are taking advantage of us. But I will not let it slide. Do you understand? That will be a story for another day. Go and give this fish to the maidens to prepare. No, give it to Joako. She's the best cook in this palace. Tell her to make fish pepper soup with yam. Garnish it with otazi and all that. Then she can keep 2. Later in the evening, I will eat it. Oko, I trust you. I trust you. Obinze has to be feeling well. Eh? Go. Oko, go. The mother of Obinze. The mother of a apparent. Mother, take it easy, mother. Take it easy. Mother, take it easy.
What is wrong with you? Are you okay?
What are you talking about?
Obinze, why are you walking around the whole village, neglecting your duty in the palace as a crown prince? Huh?
And what is my duty, if I may ask, mother?
Oh, I see. I see my son does not know his duty as a crown prince. Now let me educate you. Your duty is to stay close to your father and learn how to run the affairs of this community, Obinze. You are the next king, for crying out loud.
Mother, that is one undisputable fact. I know. I I am the crown prince of this kingdom. Nobody will take it away from me.
Okay. I know I'm the crown prince. So, is this how you are going to rule your people? Tell me. Is this how you are going to rule this community? Obinze, you are the next king. And you need to stand up and start acting it. Acting it!
Mother, I've heard you. If that will be all, I would like to go get some rest.
I don't have much to say. But all I know is, better do better than this. Yes, you have to sit up. Sit up!
I've heard you, mother.
Prince. Don't worry.
I'm the heir apparent to this throne. Nobody is dragging it with me. Nobody, no one. Anybody that dares, I will end his life or her life before their time. I am Obinze, and I fear no one. It's my birthright. I am Obinze.
My prince.
Dike,
My prince.
I hold you to a high esteem as the great warrior of our land. But you disappoint me. How do you choose Olanma over my sister Akudo? Are you aware that should anything happen to me as the crown prince of this kingdom, God forbid, only one that can choose who will be the next king is my sister Akudo. Are you not bothered about that? Even when you know that my sister Akudo loves you so much.
My prince, I love Olanma, and this heart belongs to her. No man or woman born of a woman can stop me from loving her and can do anything about it. Yes, my prince.
Oh, DK. What nerves. What impetus. Oh, let me guess. She has bewitched you with her mystery charm. Akudo loves you. That's why she's bringing you food. That's why she respects you and sees you like a king even when you are not.
My prince, even if Akudo cooks from now till the world's end, I will never love her, so tell her to stop. This heart belongs to Olanma. Have a good day, my prince.
Ah! DK, you disgust me! You choosing Akudo for my sister! Uko, we'll pay DK a visit. We'll pay him a mysterious visit. Once more visit that he will live to remember all his life. That is if we spare his life.
Mother! Mother! Mother, no! You cannot do this to me! You cannot do this to me, Mother! Please, please come! Mother! Mother, please wake up! Please!
No need to cry, she's dead.
Mother, please! Mother, please! Listen to me, you cannot leave me like this, please, Mother, please, I beg you. Please! No!
Ola, why are you not sleeping? Why are you not in your hut?
Mother, I had a terrible dream, and it felt so real.
Was it about me? It's just a dream. Go back to your hut and sleep. Okay?
Mother, you died in that dream.
Indeed, the enemies that seek your life are within this palace.
Who is he?
Igwe. A man's enemy are members of its household. Igwe, gather the real household for Obolo shall pass through and expose those that plot your death. After which, a calabash shall be given to the person, and he or she must drink from it. And the gods shall inflict the person with illness, and the ultimate result is death. The gods have spoken. Igwe, I take my leave.
Mother, why did you drink from the calabash, knowing that you're not innocent? Why?
I am innocent. The gods bear me witness. Olanma, my daughter, you do not believe me.
Mother, then why will the gods punish you for what you did not do?
I do not know why. My hands are clean.
I don't know. I don't just know what to believe right now. I don't.
Olanma. I am innocent. I do not believe that the gods have a hand in this. Their ways are just. I believe that something is wrong somewhere.
My mother is innocent.
You fault the God's judgment?
Man's judgment, you mean?
What are you talking about?
Come on, Father. You and I know that my mother is not capable of what she has been accused of. She is not.
It's not a mere accusation. The evidence is what she is passing through now. You see, she brought this upon herself.
You are going to watch my mother die?
What can I do about it?
I would not let her die. She is innocent. I won't let her die.
Olanma, don't stand in the way of the gods.
Sorry, my princess. Sorry, my princess.
My lord, stop crying.
Sorry, my princess. Sorry, my princess.
It breaks me to see you like this.
My mother is innocent. She didn't do anything.
I believe you, my princess. I believe you.
So, why are the gods silent? Why are they silent?
My love, the gods are wise. Their ways are not our ways. If she's really innocent, trust me, she shall be vindicated.
My princess, Dike is right. The gods are just. If this is a machination of man, surely the queen shall come out of this alive. Trust me. Please come.
Emma, I don't know what else to do. She's innocent.
I'm so sorry.
She didn't do anything wrong.
I believe you. Please stop crying. Stop.
The ailments can only be cured with a portion gotten from the herbs of the tree of life. Standing in the center of Ungu stream, situated deep in the Ungu forest, and surrounded by a palm front. Like I said, Igwe, these ailments can only be cured with a portion made from the herbs of the tree of life. Standing in the center of the Ugu stream, surrounded by palm fronds,
Like I said, Igwe, the task is an impossible one. For the journey into the Ugu forest is not to be made by mere mortals. Not even the finest and bravest warriors has gone in and come out alive.
Is that the only way?
Yes! That is the only way. I take my leave.
Then, if you so wish to save her, why not go to the Ugu forest yourself? Ha!
Olanma, you heard what the seer said. No one goes into the Ugu forest and comes back alive.
Dike, what do you want me to do? I cannot just fold my arms and do nothing, knowing that there is a chance to save her life.
Olanma, you can't embark on this impossible journey.
Do you expect me to fold my arms and do nothing when there is a chance to save her life? Do you?
But that is an impossible task.
If I have not tried, how will I know? I mean, I have not tried.
You cannot know more than the seer.
DK, if it is your mother, would you fold your arms and do nothing?
Even your mother will not allow you to embark on this impossible journey. Our ailment is from the gods. Yes.
The
journey you wish to embark on is a dangerous one. But your heart is pure. But you're one with pure heart. Once again, the mortals have tried to subvert justice and tried to bury the truth. However, the brave one cannot be stopped. The gods accept your sacrifice. I will prepare you for the journey ahead. My daughter Olanma, kneel down. The gods of our land, I beseech thee, I beckon on you. Grant this the power of 10,000 warriors. Let it be able to pierce through every barrier that is unpenetrable. Olanma, take this. This has the power to pierce through the unpenetrable. You must trend with caution. Inside here is all you need for this journey. But remember, you must not drink or eat what you did not go there with. Ugu Forest is indeed a deadly one. It is the land of the undead. The land of powerful spirits. You must tread with caution. Caution. Caution, my daughter. Take this. In here are substances you can use to overcome those spirits. Have it here, my daughter. The gods of our land! Go before Olanma! Go before your daughter! protect her. Take her and bring her back safely. Olanma, my daughter, you will pass the night here. And tomorrow early morning, your journey begins.
Show your face. Show your face if you are brave enough.
Princess.
Okay. What are you doing here?
I'm coming with you.
Ngem, this is a journey I must make alone. It's a very dangerous one.
If you must go, then I'm coming with you.
Ngem, listen.
No! You listen. All my life I have been alone. No one cared about me. They all avoided me like I was a plague. But you accepted me. You showed me kindness. You taught me what true friendship is. Listen, Princess Olanma, you are all I have. And I'm not letting you go into that forest alone.
Again, this journey is dangerous. It's very dangerous. The possibility of our survival is almost non-existent.
I don't care. I have to go with you. Let us go. The journey is far.
Here. Take it. You have to protect yourself.
Okay.
And always stay close to me.
Okay, Princess.
Do not leave my sight.
Okay, Princess.
Come with me.
Okay? Okay? Kindness! It's important.
Let him in.
What is it?
Olanma might have embarked on the Ugu forest. He's gone into the Ugu forest.
What? Ikenga, come here.
Yes.
Gather some of the guards now.
Yes, Your Highness.
She wouldn't have gone far. Make sure you bring her back here.
Yes, Your Highness. Your Highness, I think I'll go with him.
Want to go with him?
Yes.
Ugu forest? Go. But make sure you bring her back. Bring the princess back! Bring her back!
This is the boundary between the living and the dead. Ugu Forest. Are you sure you want to continue with this journey? Because it's a very dangerous one.
I'm very sure, my princess. Anything for you.
It's too late. She has already gone to the forest. We can't stop now. We need to go after her.
There's nothing we can do. I mean, the Ugu forest is too dangerous. I mean, we have to go home now.
No, we can't stop now. She's just a woman. Come on.
DK, she has already made her decision. I mean, this forest is too dangerous. But if you want to go after her, you can go. The rest of us, let's go to the palace.
Come on, you can't leave her now.
You can go.
No, you guys can't go.
I told you, this forest is too dangerous. Let's go.
Olanma, why do you have to do this? Why are you stubborn? Why? Olanma! Olanma!
Maybe it's one of the strange creatures the chief is warning me about. Nkem, this was a bad idea. My mother was never meant to be saved.
Listen to me, princess. See,
what if I don't make it alive? I am scared.
Listen to me, princess. Look.
But I don't know. What if I don't survive? I'm scared.
It's okay to be scared. But let's not lose sight of what is ahead. We have started this journey already. This is not the time to look back. Okay? Our mind should be on the goal. Is that okay? Now let's go.
Okay. Why did you insist on coming with me, knowing the dangers involved? Why?
When I was a child, I followed my mother to the farm. She was making ridges for planting cassava. I heard her scream. Then I rushed to her. I saw my mother writhing in pain on the ground. She was bitten by a snake. I was confused. I didn't know what to do. I screamed for help, but there was no one in sight. So all I could do was scream. I screamed and watched my mother die in pain. There was nothing I could do.
There was nothing you could have done. Besides, you were still a child. Okay, it's not your fault. It was never your fault.
1 year later, my father fell from a palm tree and broke his neck. He died. Again, there was nothing I could do. So, when I saw how determined you were to save your mother, knowing full well that you might not succeed, I thought about my parents. And you given the slightest opportunity, I would have saved them. Princess Ola, embarking on this journey with you gives me a sense of purpose. No matter the outcome, I am glad. Thank you.
Did you see that?
Yes. do? The only thing to do is to fight. What? Fight spirits? That's insane. I don't have a choice, do we? Open your mouth. On no account should it fall. Let's go! Let's go!
Who should despair?
Your Highness, how long will you continue like this? How long? Huh? You see, you've done your best. You've done what a good father could do. But Olanma chose our own path. Your Highness, I think you should stop getting worried about a lost cause. Yes. I think you should look after your living children. One of them will sit on your throne when you must have joined your ancestors.
I want to be left alone.
Your Highness,
I said I want to be left alone.
Is coming. Arrow is coming. Despair. Who should despair?
He said the tree is situated in the middle of the river, guarded by power frogs. Oh, we finally got it. Princess! I don't think it's safe to go in there. Please take it easy. What do we do now? Good trouble. It is I, Princess Olanma from Onuoha Kingdom. My mother is ill. And the only thing that can save her life is the herb from the tree of life.
I must commend your bravery and courage to come home. But that which we seek comes with a sacrifice.
What? What does Ugu want?
It's life for life.
No, Princess. You can't. You can't.
To get access to the herb from the tree of life, a life must be offered.
No, Princess. No, please. There has to be another way. There has to be another way, please.
There is no other way.
Oh, feel me.
There is no other way.
Princess, you can't. Who will take the herbs to your mother?
You will take it to her and Ken. At least she will get leave. Remember what you told me. Eyes on the goal. That's why we're here. And the goal is to save my mother's life no matter what.
Who will take it to her? Who will take the herbs to her if
You shall take it to her and Ken.
No, Princess. You didn't come all the way fighting off spirits and strange creatures just to end up your life like this. Please, don't. Princess, please, no. No. Please. Princess, please. Princess, please. Princess. Princess. Princess, no! Ah!
Get! 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 What have you done to yourself? Get, why did you do this? No! No! No!
Thank you. Thank you for making me feel a sense of belonging. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you. Thank you for allowing me to embark on this journey with you. Please, Princess. Please. Yeah. Please, do not forget me. Gam! Gam, why did you do this? Why did you give up?
Tree of life confers untold powers to he that comes in contact with it. Henceforth, before to heal and to kill, to build and to destroy, lay in your palm.
Your Highness.
What is it?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. My queen asked me to give you this drink. She said it's going to help you to relax your nerves.
Drop it and leave.
The great palace of Umagu Kingdom. I cannot wait to sit on this throne. Uko! You know that royalty fits me. You know how I make a good king, don't you? Once royalty is royalty forever. You know why? A lion cannot give birth to a goat. My father used to be a lion, not now that he's old and weak. I will make the best king Umagu has ever produced. Because in my reign, it's going to be merriment. Palm wine, bushmeat, every now and then. You remember what I told you about the bee and bees of the bees? The bees flout in orders. But bees of the bees, they take a grab of all the honey. All the communities will submit to my reign.
I trust you, my prince.
Let me tell you, by then, I will promote your position. I will make you the second Onuoha. Yes, Uko.
Onuoha?
I will do it. I will rule with 2 Onuoha in this kingdom. Iobins, they will do it.
Me, Onuoha?
Wait for it, Uko. Ah. My father, the king, has been enjoying. I may have to enjoy small. Ah. Cheers to the gods! Ah. Ah. Mm. Ah. You know I've been admiring this throne. Hmm? Hey! Uko? No.
No problem.
I think it's a coincidence. Yeah. Hey! Uko! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Please open your eyes. What happened? Help! Open your eyes.
What is it? What is happening? What is happening?
My enemies are at it again. My enemies are at it again. Let me start it again. My enemies are at it again. It's the people that want to kill you. Consider the killing my son. You can do something.
What is it?
You can do something.
Obinze!
Something, please.
Obinze! Ikanga!
Your Highness!
Go and fetch the Libya immediately!
Okay, Your Highness.
Help my son. Don't let him die. Please help him. Please.
The portion was made for the king. How come? It was him who drank it.
Don't know. I don't know. I gave it to the maid to serve to the king. But the king did not drink it. Obinze saw it and drank it. Please, don't let my son die. Please do something. Do something. Do some incantation, please.
The only way for your son to live is for the king to take his place.
How? How?
Bury Obinze in a shallow grave and make the king to cross it. Once he crosses it, he shall die and Obinze shall live.
Who should despair?
Go dear.
My king.
Why did you invite me to the backyard? Is Obinze okay?
Yes, he is responding to treatment, my king. He's in his heart.
That's okay. Then why did you invite me?
My
You
king,
bring me out here.
there is something important I want us to discuss.
What is it?
Please, follow me. Let's go and talk. Come. Don't take another step further.
Olanma!
It can't be. No, she's dead. You're dead.
Olanma! Is it really you? Olanma?
Yes, Father. I am alive.
Thanks be to the God. Thank you. Hey! What? Is this not Obinze's leg? Ugodia! What? Ugodia! So you wanted to kill me?
You are the one who's supposed to die. Not Obinze. Not my son.
Come on. What are you saying?
Mother, I was faithful, loyal to you. You went and brought that good for nothing woman to come and take my place in the palace. Igwe, you favored her more than my children. You favored her child more than mine. So, what do you want me to do? What would you rather have me do?
By plotting to kill the king and free my innocent mother for it? How could you?
Your mother deserved what she got. Yes! She thinks she can come into the palace and take over what belongs to me. And take my place! Never! I was the one who gave the maid the poison she put in Igwe's food.
Oh, mother.
Even the portion that Obize took was supposed to be for the king.
Mother! How could you?
But the seer...
Yes, the seer. I paid him to frame Ifekele up. I was the one who asked him to make her drink from the calabash in order to prove her innocence.
This woman, you are evil.
Yes, I am evil. Yes, I'm the monster you created with your insensitivity.
Guards! Seize her!
No.
Seize her!
Father.
Seize her immediately!
Olanma.
Take her away!
Father, no, please, Father, no.
Take her away!
My mother,
What?
Father!
What?
Olanma, Father,
Go, take her away!
leave my mother alone! Leave me! Father! Leave my mother!
Take her away!
Father!
Can you imagine this? Olanma, did you hear that? Just because she wanted to kill me, she killed Obinze. She killed Obinze. She killed Obinze. What is
Despair.
Brother.
Who should despair?
Dike!
Olanma, my love. How? I thought I lost you forever.
Dike, what are you doing?
I thought by now you should have gotten used to the fact that I don't want you. I don't love you.
Dike, are you aware that my brother is gone? And as the first princess of this kingdom, any man I get married to becomes the next Igwe.
I want you to know that all I wish for is to get married to Olanma. But you see that throne, I have no business with it. You're welcome. You're a brave woman. Huh?
Mother! Mother!
My wife, welcome, my dear wife. Welcome. Welcome, welcome.
Mother, you're fine.
Welcome back. Oh, thanks to the gods.
Yes. Are you okay? I'm so happy.
Princess, I'm ashamed of you. Guards, take her out from here.
Move. Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! You're taking everything from me! Take her out!
My daughter,
Mother,
I have always known that you were made for great things. Thank you. Thank you for saving my life.
I owe everything to my friend Nkem. She gave up her life so that you will live. She made the ultimate sacrifice.
Nkem, we will forever remember Nkem until the end of time for her noble and sacrificial act. It's so wonderful. It's very wonderful. My darling, you're welcome back. Eh?
Thank you.
All thanks to the gods. Eh? Come on. She's my wife. Come on, Jack, help for me, bring my wife for me. Hello. Oh, sorry. Oh, I missed you. Oh, I really missed you. Princess.
Olanma, Olawa mama, Omalichangwa, Chupu Chinyere n'isi. She's on her own, she doesn't look for troubles. Olanma, she's doing her destiny. Nepanu, Olanma, Olawa mama, Omalichangwa, Chupu Chinyere n'isi. She's on her own, she doesn't look for troubles. Olanma, she's doing her destiny. See Princess Olanma, the fearless girl. Opera ya ke bulim na bala.